Hey everyone, hopefully you all are doing really good, staying home and staying safe. Today I'm recording this video from my office. Feels really good to be back as it's quite warm and sunny here today. Of course, I have taken all the advised measures such as keeping my distance of 2 meters, although there aren't more than few people around me anyway, using hand sanitizer, washing my hands for 20 seconds and whatnot. Anyways, let's get on to the video now. So what is CBILS? Is your business eligible for this government-backed scheme and how to apply for it? CBILS, or the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme, is a business interruption loan offered by the UK government. If you're not in the UK but one of the countries that are practicing quarantine, I am quite sure that your respective governments must be offering similar schemes. But if you're in the UK and a business owner of roughly any size, trading for last 2 years, then the good news for you is that the government has pledged to guarantee £330 billion of loans. What's even more interesting is that out of £330 billion, only £145 million has been lent so far. So what exactly it is? The British Business Bank's CBILS scheme facilitates business finance to smaller businesses that are eligible for funding but unable to obtain finance due to having insufficient security to meet the lender's standard requirements. As a borrower, which is you, the business owner, always remains 100% liable for the debt, so it's a loan and not a grant. In this situation, CBILS provides the lender only with a government-backed 80% guarantee against the outstanding facility balance, potentially enabling a no credit decision from a lender to become a yes. Under this scheme, the government will guarantee 80% of any net losses to the lender of a CBILS-backed loan. For businesses with an annual turnover below £45 million, loans up to £5 million will be provided. On April 3rd, the scheme was extended to firms with an annual turnover of between 45 million and 500 million pounds for loans up to 25 million GBP. This scheme provides SMEs with up to 25 million in the form of business loans, overdrafts, invoice finance and asset finance. So how to know if your business is eligible for the CBILS or Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme? To apply to a lender that's backed by the CBILS, your business must meet these conditions. A, be trading more than 2 years. B, demonstrate maintainable turnover during the current crisis with no adverse or CCJs. So what sort of businesses aren't eligible for this loan? Unfortunately, there are sectors that are not eligible for CBILS-backed loans, which are banks and building societies, insurers and reinsurers, not including insurance brokers, public sector organizations, including state-funded schools, employer, professional, religious or political membership organizations. Number 5, trade unions. Few examples of sectors that are not eligible for this loan are agriculture, education, freight and transport, travel and tourism, unfortunately aren't eligible. Of course, the following exclusions for your application do apply. Applications will not be limited to businesses that have been refused a loan on commercial terms extending the number who benefit. However, the Treasury has not capped the interest rates banks can charge. Second exclusion is the most favorable thing, in my opinion, is that the banks will be banned from asking company owners to guarantee loans with their own savings or property when borrowing up to £250,000. The third exclusion is larger firms with a turnover of up to £500 million will also be eligible for more help with state-backed loans of up to £25 million available to firms with revenues of between 45 million to 500 million pounds. So how do you apply for this loan? Of course, the list of documents required will vary from lender to lender. Generally speaking, the supporting documents you may need to show that you can repay the loan that you're borrowing are cash flow forecast, business plan, management accounts, historic accounts, details of your assets. If you are approaching your existing financial provider, the process might be automated and you wouldn't need to provide as many documents as usually would be asked from a fresh application. I'll leave the web links of the few lenders with their contact numbers in the description box below, so that you guys can immediately start working on availing this scheme. I truly hope this video had been helpful for you. I will be more than happy to answer any more questions related to CBILS. Do leave your questions in the comment box below and I'll try to address those questions ASAP. Don't forget to share and follow me on Facebook. If you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and do like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.